This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
The reason you are doing all of this, well, that's the key. You will not get a job if you don't know behind the scene what is going on. Once you understand all of the things, then you can do your job. And your job is start from here. Understanding and estimation are the keys. So we, in the planning meeting, we do our work estimation. Okay? Work estimation means sign up, sign in, forget password, reset password, add an address, remove an address, add the payment, delete the payment, add a product to the cart, delete a product to the cart, and add multiple product into the cart, and change the product, the color variation, change the products, the sizes. This is all the user story. But now come to the question. You have to break them down, each of the user story, and you have to tell your part how long it will take to complete. Developer tell their part, QA tell their part, how long it will take to complete. And that's called the estimation. In the workplace, if you do not understand your work, you cannot do the estimation and you will be suffering badly. And that's the reason, if you want to work in the software development industry, the first and foremost, you need to read the documentation of the project or the user story very well. You need to know the big picture of the product. You need to know the epic level. You need to know the feature level. Then you will be understanding story standpoint. What is this story is asking me to do. Okay? So you cannot ignore the epic. Reading the epic is very important. Reading the features is very important to understand the user story. Okay? If you try to do anything else, if you try to do blindly work, you'll not be surviving in the software development team. It's the luxurious, the job. It is a high-paying job. It is easy to do, to be fair and square. Software development team job is easy. Okay? I'm telling you, I'm not joking. The QA job is fairly easy job, but the things are complex when you do not understand what you're doing and you try to do blindly, and then you will be got caught up. So to understand, read, ask question, clarify, and then reach out to the senior people to understand. Senior can be the product manager. Senior can be whoever has written the user story. After the development, back-end developer is the right person to ask the question. After the front-end developer, the front-end developer is the right person to ask the question. After the deployment, DevOps engineer is the right person to ask. You see this? Now the things are collaborative. You see, you simply will test something, but you have to do the huge collaboration. You have to work with all these people day in, day out. Even they will help you to understand your work. Once you understand your work, now you can estimate your work. If you don't understand, you cannot estimate. And if you keep the estimating the wrong way, each time in your sprint, you will get caught up by your product manager. They will say, what are you doing? Why you estimate something you don't understand? So this is the where everything is started. You have to understand your work, then you can give the estimation.